Has had its challenges, just like any woman, you know. All the girls out there in your 20s, you're gonna mess up. You're gonna make the wrong choice. You're gonna choose the wrong person. It's a part of growing up. So it's stuff I don't regret. The most important thing is when you make mistakes, you must learn from them. For example, when I had my son, it was such a happy moment, you know, the happiest moment of my life. And then I go to social media and found stories about who people thought was the father of my son. I don't know where it came from. Someone sent me a text and said, "Oh my God, did you see this?" And the person was the first son. I can't even explain how I felt. I found it even disrespectful, you know, for both me and the first son. I had never met him physically in my entire life. I only met him just recently here when we were doing a job in Sorority. That's when I met him. So I found it wild. But because, again, like I told you earlier, I know how the media works, how social media works. People run with what can bring the likes and the shares and the attention. And I feel like it's become a trend now. People make up stuff just to, you know, to trend. What they don't realize is that sometimes these things affect people, you know, in their personal lives, in their private lives. I have a family, you know. My son has a wonderful father. And he reads that stuff, you know. And so in that area, I found that that was quite disrespectful. But I choose to ignore it because at the end of the day, life is life. You can't control people.
Kale bye kakati yali ayogera mukasera yazalira omwana.
Yeah.
Naye nakyenzudde muntu kunso omuntu awaayiriziddwa muhozi naawaayirizibbwa.
Bane tumutemyeko ebigambo.
Olutambula mu basala